prize goes to group 4 and first prize goes to group 1. Clap once more. Okay, we have last final round. After this round, we will conclude this quiz competitions. Now the question to the group 1. Group 1 question. What is the formula of mod in statistics? Mod formula. Mod formula. Formula of mod.
F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus of F0 plus F2 into H.
Once more.
L plus of F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus of F0 plus F2 into H.
Right answer. Now the question to group 2. Formula of median. Median formula.
L plus of n by 2 minus CF
by height of said. Wrong answer, boy. Sit down. Pass to group 3.
L plus of n minus 2. N by 2 minus
N minus 2 is said no way. Sit down. Pass. Hey, after we have hearing talent. Pass to group 4. Audience, maintain silence.
L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H.
Right answer. Now question to third group. Listen carefully. Use your brain for answering. How many 2000 rupees notes will make 1 lakh rupees? 50 right answer. Question to the fourth group. Right. Question to the group 4. What is the fourth chapter name in class 7? What is the fourth chapter name in class 7? Fourth chapter name in class 7?
Lines and angles.
Lines and angles, right answer. The question to the group 4. What is the formula of x plus y plus z whole square?
X square plus y square plus 2xy.
So that is the wrong answer. Take your seat. Now the question to group 1. Right answer. 1 point to group 1. Now the question to group 1. Who is called the father of geometry? Euclid is right answer. Now the question to second group. How many dimensions are there for a point? 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, just like that. How many dimensions are there for a point? 2 dimensions. Wrong answer. Pass to third group.
0.
That is okay. 0 dimensions is nothing but no dimensions. That is right answer. Actually, answer no dimensions. 0 dimensions is nothing but no dimensions. Point to group 3. One answer will be considered. Already we said remaining rejecting actually. Last warning to your group. 2 answers are not allowed. Question to third group again. What is the equation of x-axis? What is the equation of x-axis? Group 3, what is the equation of x-axis? Five, four, three, two, one. Time up. Passing to group 4. What is the equation of x-axis?
Y is equal to 0.
Y is equal to 0 is right answer. Now the question to fourth group again. What is the sum of 4 angles in a quadrilateral?
360.
360 is right answer. Now the question to group 1. What is the formula of volume of pyramid? Volume of pyramid formula. Volume of pyramid formula. Half you said, no? Wrong answer. Pass. Second group. Right answer. Question to second group again. Volume of cone formula. 1/3 pi r square h. Right answer. Question to third group now. What is the probability of an impossible event? What is the probability of an impossible event?
Zero.
What did you say once more? 0 is right answer. Yes. Third group now you belongs to? Yes, third group. Now the question to fourth group. What is the 11th chapter name of class 10th?
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry is right answer. Now the question to first group. What is the HCF of 2020 and 2021? What is the HCF of 2020 and 2021? HCF. Pass to second group. HCF of 2020 and 2021. Of course, but wrong answer. Sit down. Pass to group 3. Group 3. HCF of 2020 and 2021. Okay, now pass to next group, fourth group. HCF of 2020 and 20. What? One is right answer. Now the question to second group. Lateral surface area of right prism formula. Perimeter of base into height, right answer. Now the question to third group. Who is the father of trigonometry? Who is the father of trigonometry? Timer is running. Who is the father of trigonometry?
5 seconds.
Pythagoras is wrong answer.
Pass.
Pass to the fourth group. Who is the father of trigonometry? Arithmetic, sir. Archimedes. Archimedes is wrong answer. Pass to group 1. Hipparchus is right answer. Now the question to group 4. What is the value of cosec square 45 degrees minus cot square 45 degrees?
Cosec square minus.
What is the value of cosec square 45 degrees minus cot square 45 degrees? What is the value of cosec square 45 degrees minus cot square 45 degrees? Audience, maintain silence. What? One is right answer. So we have a small break now. Let's see the scoreboard once again. Group 2 with 8 points, Group 3 with 10 points, Group 4 with 13 points. So if you observe here, Group 1 and 4 are tallying, means having equal score, tie up. So we can consider these two groups, those who will answer correctly, they will be the first and others will be the second. First group and fourth group only. Finally, two groups are there, two questions will be asked. Okay. Now question to first group now. First group, are you ready? This is very important. If you say correctly, you will be the first, otherwise you will go to second. What is the 3D shape of your refrigerator? What is the 3D shape of your refrigerator? Cuboid, right answer. Now question 2, fourth group. What is the sum of first 7 natural numbers? Timer check madam. 28 is right answer. Once more it is tired.
20 seconds only for this question.
Yeah.
To be changed. 20 seconds madam or 10 seconds? Okay, now question to the group 1. What is the product of 240 and 50? What is the product of 240 and 50?
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Time is up, I think. Now question 2, fourth group. What is the product of 139 and 50? 113 and 50. Timer is running.
the time limit you will say and you will the winner. 7, 6, 5,
Now can you answer group 1? Product of 113 and 50.
already time limit will be.
Right answer. So here we can see the winners are group 1, runners are group 4.
Sir,